Hello, my name is Bond, James Bond, and I try to teach you guys how to make Kaleh Pacheh. In Persian, mean head and lamb head. That's a Persian traditional food for winter and Christmas Day morning.
Lamb tongue. He's making the tree. Which is your favorite Christmas song?
Oh, come my faithful.
So this is what he's been doing for 45 minutes. He's been peeling onions. He's got a little tiny bit of garlic he's doing. And onions. Matthew wanted pictures of Dad cooking and how he made his Kaleh Pacheh. Here, let's see, there's a little bit of onions, just a little bit of onions and garlic. Oh, and he's getting his pot ready. Here, there's the lamb tongue. Oh, red rice. And he's making them taste especially good by giving them a brown egg. He's browned some of those already. Oh, he thinks they're all going to fit in that pot. Hi, sweetheart. What is it, cook-off?
See those little things? Those are lamb tongue. Lemon with the garlic. I smashed the garlic before, so I mix it together. That gives a taste to the soup of the Kaleh Pacheh. Very tasty. 9 lemon. And I juice it in the thing. I'm gonna leave it overnight. So the taste of the garlic goes to the lemon juice. Enjoy.
You have to do like a final project, and it's basically
This is my third bowl.
Shanaz, is that your third bowl?
Yeah, but keep it a secret, okay?
How does it taste?
Oh,
Compliments to the chef?
yeah.
Beautiful. Merci.
Lamb tongue was excellent.
خیلی خوشمزه است. دستش درد نکنه. خیلی ممنون. دیگه هم از این کارا بکنه. شما میهن مصرف کن. خیلی ممنون.
Marinaz, so how does it taste?
oh my god, heavenly. Really? It's tongue, and I love it, girl. I love it. Maybe we're unethical, but. Say.
Come on, come on. No, you're not gonna die. Yeah. No. I don't trust.
They say
It's all the whole thing.
and they're gonna restructure. So
It's a meat. Regular meat.
It's very, very soft.
right now we all do everything.
Very soft. And it tastes good. Very good flavoring.
Matthew, you want to do that?